aboard the space station is Commander Suni Williams, along with her crewmates Aki Hoshide and Yuri Malenchenko. Williams recently took command of the station before undocking activities last night. Yesterday, Suni Williams had took time off to participate in the Malibu triathlon exercise using various exercise equipment on the station to simulate the swimming. She had shown here she's actually using the advanced resistive exercise device. This is the system that simulates weightlifting here on Earth, and here this simulates the muscles that she would be using as in the swimming portion of the triathlon. This is Mission Control Houston. Again, we are watching a video that was downlinked from yesterday morning's activities with the now commander of the space station, Suni Williams, who is participating in the Malibu triathlon. Here she is using the advanced resistive exercise device. And in that view, she had just removed the bar that she was using to perform the exercise that helps to simulate the swimming portion of the triathlon.
And Houston Station on 2, we're done with the simulated swim in the transition to get ready for the bike over in the lab.
Houston copies.
Again, this is a replay of that downlink video from yesterday. That was an exchange between Commander Suni Williams on her with Capcom. Who was serving as Capcom yesterday was Josh Matthew. Now transitioning to the cycle portion of the triathlon. This is Mission Control Houston. We're getting a video replay from a video that was downlinked after yesterday morning's activity just before the Soyuz undocking and successful landing last night. This is the now commander of the space station, Suni Williams, who is participating in the Malibu triathlon. She's using all three pieces of equipment there, or exercise equipment there aboard the International Space Station. She started this triathlon with the swim portion, using the advanced resistive exercise device that simulates weightlifting here on Earth. Used that machine to also simulate the swim portion of her triathlon, and then now transition to the onboard stationary bicycle. Again, Williams had participated in the Malibu triathlon yesterday morning before the undocking of her three crewmates. Previous commander of the station, Gennady Padaka, Sergei Revin, and Joe Akaba, who had spent 125 days there in space, 123 days there aboard the International Space Station. Williams now in command of the space station, along with her crewmates, flight engineers Aki Hoshide and Yuri Malenchenko, currently in the middle of their midday meal for the day aboard the International Space Station. We are looking at replay that was sent down from yesterday morning's activity. Here now we see Williams on the treadmill doing the running portion of the triathlon. Again, Williams participating in the Malibu triathlon, began with the swim, or a simulated swim, using the advanced resistive exercise device, then transitioned to the stationary bicycle, and we now see her using the onboard treadmill for the running portion of that triathlon. While exercise is important for all human beings here on Earth, it is essential for crew members living aboard the International Space Station, especially during long duration stays. Williams is an active participant in exercise and fitness. And while she has regular 2-hour exercise, she had been training to participate in the triathlon before her flight, and yesterday morning, before her crew members departed from the International Space Station, she was able to participate in that Malibu triathlon. Again, she used the advanced resistive exercise device to simulate the swim portion, then moved on to the cycle, and is now using the treadmill. These are the three pieces of exercise equipment that are on board the International Space Station that help to keep astronauts fit and eliminate the negative effects on their bodies while staying on station there in the microgravity environment of space. This is Mission Control Houston. Again, we are getting a replay of a video that was downlinked yesterday. This is Suni Williams, who is now the commander of the space station, participating in the Malibu triathlon on her third leg of the triathlon. She
in Houston on Space to Ground 2, I just wanted to let you know we've finished with this activity, this athletic activity of the day. It's probably just about 9 o'clock in Malibu. My watch says 1:48:43 for the 3 events and the transitions. And space transitions are a little bit different than Earth transitions, but they have their troubles as well. Hey, and also a big shout out to our astronaut strength and conditioning folks, Mark, David, Bruce, and Jamie, who are really interested in this, particularly Bruce, who got this whole workout put together, and the guys in the exercise lab, Alan Moore, who was able to translate the Malibu biking into a CVIS protocol here. So a big thanks to all those guys. Another shout out to Dr. Sanjay Gupta, who is really interested in health and fitness and came to Johnson Space Center to talk about astronaut health and fitness and what it's going to take to get humans back on and onto Mars. So thanks for everybody for your support and ideas about health and fitness and how important it is for humans and getting us back into long duration space flight. So big thanks. I'm happy to be done. It wasn't easy, and I'm sure everybody out in California is really excited to be done too. Take care and thank you.
Well, Sonny, thanks very much, and congratulations on completion of the first triathlon in space. And absolutely, it's critically important to understand human physiology and how to keep you all strong on orbit so that when you come home, you're strong when you get back. And we'll see proof of that later tonight when Joe and his crewmates, their return in the Soyuz. So we're looking forward to that. And thanks again. We'll pass on your kudos to everybody who helped put that together. Well done.